start to make the yogurt with 500 naira milk and other things to complete it to 1000 naira to start up my yogurt business. Okay, what I have here is the measuring cup, which I'm going to use and measure it. And this is the milk. I bought it yesterday at the cost of 600 naira. And then this is my mixing bowl and my spoon. And okay, I measured out my water. The quantity of water to be used is 3:1. That's if your milk is 3 cups, you're going to use 9 cups of water to make the yogurt for it to be wonderful. So now this my milk is 3 cups because I measured it. I measured out 3 cups of milk, and here I have 9 cups of water. Make sure the same cup you're using to measure the milk is the same cup you're going to use and measure out the water for it to be accurate. Okay, I put in some quantity of milk. Okay, still mixing. I was mixing it to make sure that all the lumps dissolved. It doesn't take much time. It's an easy something to do. Very easy. It doesn't take much time. Keep dissolving it. Now trying to remove all the lumps to be sure that I don't see any lumps in it, because if you don't dissolve it very well, the tendency that your yogurt is not going to be smooth. It's not definitely going to be smooth. It's not going to be smooth. Make sure you clean up very well. All parts has to be dissolved. Just rounding up and dissolving everything. Be sure that I dissolve everything. It's okay now. You can see the way it is. You can see it. You can see it. Dissolved everything. Everything is dissolved. Continue stirring on medium heat till you start to boil.
The next day.
Wow, all set. Wow, this is actually so nice. Everything is so perfectly well. Look. Ooh. Ah, so yummy. Time to do the mixing and then do the packaging.